Our DERP failed! DERP intro failed. Hey guys, what's up? Hey! So welcome to another week of K-pop craze. Just hands, baby. Just hands. And you see this.
We're seeing BTOB'S.
BTOB! Beep beep beep. We just finally got to watch it because we know it came out already, but then we haven't watched it because I haven't came to her house a long time. Because I was sick and coughing, and now she got sick too.
No, I'm better.
She's better. Wow, that's fast. No
I
fair.
know.
No fair. I was coughing so much.
Ha ha ha.
And look, guys, I'm finally wearing glasses. Yeah.
As well.
It's pretty.
Oh wait, it's your first time. Is it?
This is their first time, but I've been wearing her glasses for like 8 years already.
Yeah, it's your first time seeing her in glasses.
Sorry. Okay. So.
Okay.
B2B, I can't.
Oh my God, Peniel.
This is handshake, man. Handshake.
Okay, prepare for lots of pausing and.
No, I don't think I can pause.
Yeah, I'll pause
I'll just
it.
grab you and choke
No,
you.
I'll choke you back.
Okay. Oh my God, my heart's beating.
I'm gonna pause a lot.
I'm having butterflies right now. I cannot.
Yeah, Peniel. I'm gonna pause on Peniel.
No, I'm not. I'm never gonna pause.
Every Peniel is.
Okay. Flail. Okay. Let's.
Okay, I see a car at the beginning.
Yeah, we see a headlight.
Yeah, you know.
Let's put the
I think
volume
it's
check.
gonna be like some car beep as
It's
in a
beep
car
beep.
beeping.
So why not? Okay. Let's do this.
Okay.
Oh, Hannah, dude.
No, I need to put my hand near this so I can pause it.
No pausing.
Yes, I pause it.
We're not pausing. Okay, let's pause. 1, 2. Monkey.
Oh, his hair is so pretty.
Oh my God! Whoa! Damn! What the fuck? Damn! No screaming, remember? I'm sorry.
Okay, when Peniel comes,
Like,
I'm pausing it. When Peniel comes, I'm pausing it.
I'm sorry, guys. Please send handshake. Oh crap. Sorry.
Let me get my hand ready.
Peniel! He has lies! He's singing! Jackson! You're killing him! Minion! Oh God! Oh my lord. Everything just became a blur. Did you see Chansung with that curly hair? And there were Peniel and him were like, oh. She died. She's dead. And now with the continued falling of Tom's death, also Peniel. Yes, we miss B2B so much. We did.
Lord help me.
Dude, we didn't even get to the chorus yet! Oh my gosh! Come on! Let's continue this. Okay. Oh my God, that sight is so beautiful. Oh, look, Peniel's in the front. Did you hear him sing? Did you hear Peniel sing? Oh my God. Okay, let's talk about it at the end. Yeah! They're so adorable.
Hey, wait!
That's what we're doing.
What do you think you're doing, huh? What do you think you're doing?
No.
What do you think you're doing?
Peniel!
Oh my God! What do you think you're doing, huh? What are you doing?
What are you doing, makeup? Stop it!
Don't give me that face!
Peniel singing! Stop touching my mouse! Right there in his beautiful face. Oh my god. Come back to life.
Oh my god!
2 parts. He finally has 2 parts.
Yes, baby, I love you so much.
Peniel, baby. Okay. Let's stop. Okay, you will not pause anymore. You will not pause. You will not pause anymore. You will not pause
You
anymore.
want me to die?
No, yes, we do. We're already dying in our hearts. Gosh, okay, let's go. Sorry, we're screaming and all. Sorry.
God. Peniel was like,
Sunshine, yo. I love it. What are you doing? What are you doing? No. What's with the girls? What's with the girls?
What the hell?
Oh. Hello. Yeah. What? Wait, why'd you pause? There was a Peniel in there.
No, do you see them?
What? Yes, I see. Oh, yeah, just Ukon playing Pokemon. I'm gonna pause real please. Peniel. Chase up singing the bridge. Holy shit. This is such a beautiful MV. I love it. I'm gonna download this song. I'm gonna download the whole album right now. Okay, let's go. Hey, look, he has it. Oh, whoa.
Peniel.
Sanjay, you sing that, baby. Where's Sanjay? Sanjay, I think. Okay, Sanjay, you're wrecking my bias list right now.
Whoa, what are they just doing? I saw like dancing.
Oh, whoa. Hey. Jackson was so derpy as usual. Hey. Dude! Sanjay, stop your lip biting! This is the best comeback ever since WoW. Like, literally.
Okay.
Too much girls, come on. No.
Give me both.
We need more. Woo! Little cars are so adorable! Look at them little cars! He's like, wow! Oh, what's the car? No parking area. They got tickets. It's on Minhyun's fault. Beep, bam, yeah.
Ooh.
I give that.
Okay, so
10 out of 10, baby.
Of course, 10 out of 10. Of course. So like,
Okay, back.
was this MV about them partying or what?
I don't know. If you look at the lyrics, come on, we might understand it.
But not lyrics yet. Just like try to interpret it.
Beep.
So I just saw a car and them going to someone's house. So I
That's
guess
someone's house.
Yeah?
It's like
they went to someone's house.
No, they were fighting over the house.
Yeah, exactly. They went to someone's house.
And also, they're so cute dancing.
And then they went.
Beep, bang, bang.
They went there with their cars and shit.
And they had little adorable little mini cars like that.
So this MV was like them going to someone's house and partying.
No.
Yes.
This they were partying because it's beep. You know, dance, kind of interpret like the beep.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They're dancing.
That is addicted to me right now.
Partying.
Beep, bang, bang.
Partying.
Party.
Yeah.
This is a good party
It's
song.
like a party song.
Yeah, it's a good party song. I like it. Good job, Cube. You get Peniel more lines. Good job. Damn it.
That makes me really happy.
Yeah, that makes us really happy. And then did you say fucking I'm check how like that? Oh my god. My chin likes it. So that was a good comeback. And we'd like to say one more thing. Hey, come on, you know you like this. Come on, you haven't expected this. Congratulations to BAP having the first are not me. Okay, this is not my fault. You don't say me.
They want BTOB'S! Oh my god!
Yes, show champion music bank and what else?
Ikigayo!
Yes, sir! Good job, Chansaka. Good job, babies. We did it. We made them. We made them win.
They won! Totally.
Oh yeah, and then you guys did it. San Jose did it because T-Top coming to San Jose, people. Yes. Why are you not congratulating? Don't you like T-Top too? How dare you?
I kind of do. But I like
But T-Top's coming to San Jose, so please go to Crowd Pop.
Good job to all you Teen Top fans.
And then if we fund more than $150,000, then we can have them here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I like Chenjo.
Oh yeah. I like Chenjo. Why did everyone like Chenjo now? Fine, you like Chenjo, get Ricky then. God damn.
I like Chenjo first.
Okay, who's your second one?
No,
just Chenjo? What? You like Chenjo? You know, Cat's really handsome.
I just like
bicep,
Chenjo.
you know?
Chenjo is my Teen Top.
Chenjo is my first two. Damn you, people. But then, I like Eljo, too, and Neil. I like everybody, okay?
I like Chenjo only.
Sigh. Okay, so thanks for watching, you guys. Comment, subscribe.
Bam, bam.
Just bye, guys. Just bye.